Hello friends, welcome to Technodots YouTube channel. I am your host, your friend, engineer CS Nagendra. Our today's topic of this video is parametric representation of parabolas and hyperbolas. Host your friend, engineer CS Nagendra. Our today's topic of this video is parametric representation of parabolas and hyperbolas. Let us see what are the parametric equations of parabola. So let us start. The parametric equations of parabola can be represented as x is equal to x of v plus a into u square, y is equal to y of v plus 2 into au, and z is equal to zv, where value of u varies from 0 to infinity. Okay, see the curve in the figure 3.12 shows a parabola which has 4 points on it. The vertex point, that is PV, has coordinates xv, yv, zv at the vertex. A point P is situated at the coordinates x, y, z. Point Pn is situated at coordinates xn, yn and zn, and point Pn plus 1 is situated having coordinates xn plus 1, yn plus 1 and zn plus 1. Okay, now let us see the recursive. Now let us see inclined parabola. Okay, so the figure shows an inclined parabola which is inclined at an angle of alpha with the x-axis. Okay, here point PV is the vertex point having coordinates at the vertex as xv, yv and zv, and point P is any point on the parabola, inclined parabola, having coordinates x, y and z. This parabola is inclined at an angle of alpha with the x-axis as shown in the figure. Now the parametric equation for this inclined parabola can be written as x is equal to xv plus au square cos alpha minus 2au sin alpha, y is equal to yv plus au square sin alpha plus 2au cos alpha, z is equal to zv. Okay, where the value of u varies from 0 to infinity. So this is the equation of parametric equation for inclined parabola. Let us revise, let us see it once again. The parametric equation for the inclined parabola can be represented as for x coordinate, x is equal to xv plus au square cos alpha minus 2au sin alpha. The parametric equation of inclined parabola for y coordinate is y is equal to yv plus au square sin alpha plus 2au cos alpha, and z is equal to zv. So these three equations are the parametric equation for inclined parabola. First equation is for x coordinate, second is for y coordinate and third is for z coordinate, where the value of u varies from 0 to infinity for all these three equations. Okay, got it? Okay. Now let us see the parametric equations for hyperbolas. The figure here displays a hyperbola having a vertex point PV on the directrix having coordinates xv, yv and zv. Here the vertical line on which the vertex point PV occurs is known as the directrix, which is situated at a distance of capital A from the point passing through that vertex point to the hyperbola point. Okay, let point P be anywhere on the hyperbola having coordinates x, y and z. Okay, so the parametric equation for the hyperbola can be written as x is equal to xv plus a cos h u, y is equal to yv plus b sin h u, and z is equal to zv. Let us see once again. The parametric equation for hyperbola for x coordinate is given by x is equal to xv plus a cos h into u cos hu. The parametric equation for hyperbola for y coordinate is given by y is equal to yv plus capital B sin hu, and the parametric equation for hyperbola for z coordinate is given by z is equal to zv, where the value of u varies from 0 to infinity. Okay, here you can see in the figure that capital A is the distance of vertex point PV to the point on the hyperbola, making the horizontal distance. Okay, and capital B is the distance when the two tangents are drawn to the hyperbola's asymptotes. The vertical line is projected from the point on the hyperbola that is drawn from joining the vertex point to the point on the hyperbola. Say let that point as C. Thus the lines, the distance between point C and the tangent vectors projected is known as distance B. Okay. Now, so these are the parametric equation of hyperbola and parabolas. Okay, students. Host your friend.